Hey guys, today I will explain how to restore WordPress website from backup and hostinger. So let's dive into this. The first thing is head over to your site once you will be there. Take a look on the right top. You can see 3 lines, click on it and tap on the option website. Once you will get access to the website, here you have to check that website in which you want to restore WordPress. Once you see, click on the option manage. And now scroll down a bit. And on the left side you can see the icon file, click on it and tap on the option backup. Here you will see 3 types of backup. But from these you have to select this option restore website once you will select. Here you can see the option of full website restore. Below you have to choose a date. Once you will choose a date, click on restore and you can see restore all files and database. Click on this icon. I understand that restoring the selected backup model will replace all the current website files and database. Once you confirm, click on restore and it will start restoring your website. Restoring time will depend upon your website, how that bigger is. And after it you will restore your website. And that's it.